Good one here, chaps. Got CAN bus network on 1.8 Vauxhall Zafira. It's a no start. Ignition on. Turn the key. Nothing. Ignition off. Network looks good. Now watch this when I put the ignition on. Start getting all sorts of funny stuff when you zoom out of this. You'll see it jumping around. Check that out. Now I've just got to find what's causing it. Well chaps, there's more luck than anything. First position. No CAN bus. And we did have before. Ignition on. Got CAN bus, good signals, no jumping. Also, car now runs. All I did was unbolt that fuse box, these 3 screws in here. That screw, and that screw. Had a look underneath. Couldn't see anything wrong. Screwed it back down. Car runs beautifully. Now, at this point, we'll give it back to him and see how long it lasts. If it happens again, we're going to have to do some more digging, but I suspect it's possibly a faulty fuse box. But always worth a try before replacing anything. Under there's connections which stay behind when you undo them screws, so the whole board just lifts off the connections, and then when you screw it back down it just remakes a connection, so possibly a bad connection under there. Can't be 100% certain, but car runs, no faults, CAN bus looks good. Give it back to him, see how he goes.